Today, we're going to show you how to add a blog link to your navigation menu in your Bubble site using Drop and Blog. In your Bubble dashboard, in the Apps page, click on the hamburger menu icon next to your app. Then, in the slide out window, click on Launch Editor. Your page editor will open up in a new tab. Once the editor loads, on the upper left of the page, click on this drop-down menu. And in the drop-down, click on the name of your blog page, which for us in this tutorial, we named Blog. Once loaded, select your header. Now, this header is a reusable element, so any new pages that you add that uses this header and the changes you make to the header will be the same throughout. So go ahead and right-click on the header, and in the pop-up menu, click on Edit Reusable Element. Now let's make things easier and click on an existing page link. And copy it, and simply paste it. Then click on the duplicate page link. Its settings pop-up window will appear, and in this input box, name your page link. We'll type in blog, which is the label we used for a blog page. Make sure that the link destination is an internal page, and next to destination page, you'll want to click on the drop-down beside and select the blog page that you made. Once done, close the pop-up window, and now you'll want to publish your changes, so click on the deploy button on the upper right of the editor here. This pop-up window will appear, add a short description of the changes you've made. We'll type in added link to blog on navigation menu. Then click on the confirm button. Check out your site by clicking on the go to live site button. Your live site will open up in a new tab and you'll be able to see your blog page link on the navigation menu over here. Click on it to make sure it leads to the right page. And there it is, working as it should. And that's how you add a blog link to your navigation menu in your Bubble site using Drop and Blog. Happy blogging!